So remote workers and freelancers can be great, but only if you know what's really happening. Instead of trusting timesheets blindly, you can see their screens live in your browser. In this video, I'll show you how to connect remote computers so you can watch them from anywhere. We'll cover typical scenarios and yeah, let's jump into the video. But before I start with the video, um, please check with your lawyer if you and your country in your situation for your use case can use a computer monitoring software like the one that I will present here, because not in every country is allowed, and depending on the country and the use case, you might have to inform your employee. Please take legal advice. This is just a technical video. I will guide you technically how it works. So if you wanted to see the live computer screens of multiple computers in your company, what you need to do is you have to install a small piece of software that's called Wolfeye. Wolfeye, I will show it to you how it works. So basically it was like this. You install this piece of software on your company's computer. Let's say you have 5 computers, yeah. You install it and will receive a link to a dashboard like this. This is a demo dashboard. That's why the password is exposed here. In your case, of course, you will set your own password. But this is the demo dashboard, and you will receive, this is a link, so you will be able to open the dashboard on your browser. So, for example, from any remote computer, from any smartphone even. Yeah. So you log into the dashboard. And if you log into the dashboard, you will see the live computer screens for each of the computer that you have installed the software Wolfeye. In this case, this is a demo dashboard. That's why you see these dummy pictures here. But in reality, you will see the live screen for each of these computers. Yeah? Live screen means it's a screenshot updated every 2 seconds. So every 2 to 3 seconds, you have a lag and we'll see the live screen, so to speak. And that's what you will see. So you could on this dashboard also arrange the columns differently. So you see bigger screens or you see more screens. And even you could hit with right mouse and open in a new tab on this live text so that you could see for each particular screen, right mouse, open in a new tab, you would see that particular screen in big, in the big screen, yeah, on one page, so to speak, to better see what's happening there. And also, if you wanted, you could do screenshots. Screenshots. That is disabled by default. You have to enable it by letting us know, write us an email. And that's done. And if that's enabled, you can also right mouse click on history. Right mouse on history, and we'll see. These are dummy pictures, but in reality, you will see here the screenshot history. Every 5 minutes, a screenshot is saved, and you will see what has been happening throughout the day, so to speak. So that's how it works, yeah. That's how it works. So if we would like to use Wolfeye Remote Screen, come to our website, wolfeye.co, yeah, wolfeye.co, and click here on the link on this button that says free trial and book a demo session with me. Book a demo session with me. And in this demo session, what will happen will be the following. Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, and I will send you the link to my dashboard. So you will see my live screen here, because in this video, I only showed you this dummy, so to speak, dummy pictures, but you will see my real live screen on the dashboard. Yeah, that's the first thing that we will do. The second, if you like it, I can guide you through installation on 1 or 2 computers. So I send you the download link. We install it on 1 computer, 2 computers, or if you want in all of your computers, doesn't matter. And you test it for a few weeks. I can guide you, install it on 1 computer. You will be able to install it on the remaining computers because it's so easy, so fast. I will demonstrate it to you right now. Let's see if I can. I think it's running at the moment. I think it's running. No, it was not running. So I sent you the download link, and this is the file that you receive. And to install it, just that you see how fast the installation process is, you just double click the setup file. You double click it, and the installation wizard opens. And then you must hit install, and it is installed. And then you have to click finish, and it launches Wolfeye Remote Screen. That's it. And then you must set it up, and the settings is made in 2 clicks. The first is the share screen click. And the moment you hit that button, it's already sharing the screen, so to speak. And the second is the stealth mode click. So you hit it and the software hides itself. Stealth mode, it goes into background and continues to work and will always, whenever the Windows system is restarted, it will restart with the Windows in the background, so to speak. So that's how it works. Come to our website, wolfeye.de. Yeah, excuse me, wolfeye.co. We changed the domain name from de to .co, and hit this 40 days free trial and schedule a Google Meet session with me. I will be happy to meet you. See you in the next video.